Hey all, this is Joyce from This or That Creations. Today I'm joining Jamie with Border Bananas with Flippin' Friday. Please make sure to check out her channel, and while you're at it, check out that playlist link down below with all those amazing DIYers. If you enjoy upcycling, trash to treasure, or thrift flips, please like and subscribe to my channel. And also, don't forget to hit me up on my socials. Now let's get crafting. Alright guys, spice it up. DIY number 1, thrifting we will go. I found this beauty for $2.99 at the thrift store, Goodwill in fact. $2.99, yep, a 1970s vintage spice rack. I'm going to try out this Hello Hobby Swan White chalk paint. I'll let you know later on if I like it or if I don't. I love this piece, but I wanted to change it around. So I'm going to end up doing 2 coats. You have to get in all those nooks and crannies, so it takes some time. And what takes more time is when your power goes out in the middle of painting. Yep, that happened. And nope, I don't like this chalk paint. In my opinion, it's clumpy, not good coverage. That's my opinion. If you've used it and you like it, let me know in the comments below. So I'm like, nope, I'm fixing this piece. I'm not liking it. And I want this piece in my home, so I'm fixing it. So I take my nail file, and I was going to originally just do a light sanding and distress, but now I'm going heavy-handed. I'm fixing this piece. I'm going to make it look totally worn. If you don't like that, you could repaint it. I like that look, so this ends up working out great, and I love how distressed it is. I do all around to get rid of that clumpy paint. Yeah, I'm going to do the drawer as well. As you can see, I do go around little knobs. They don't come off, so I had to paint over them and sand them. You can't remove them, but that's all right. They turned out really cute. Look how cute that piece is. How distressed, but how stinking cute it is. I absolutely love this mishap. I truly do. So I didn't paint inside. I'm going to measure my length and my width, so I can use this. Look how cute this contact paper is I found at the thrift store. Blue and white flowers. I love it. I paid $1 for it. I pick that up whenever I can for all different projects. So I just do the measuring, cut the pieces I need. I need 2. But this girl cannot cut in a straight line. I'm not kidding you. I cannot cut in a straight line. So this tool is amazing. I suggest getting one if you're like me. You can get it on Amazon for like $10. They're great. So I thought, I'm going to do it how everybody says to do this contact paper. To leave part of the backing on, just lay down the first piece, and then pull out the contact paper for a smooth, surface. And I'm like, nope, this ain't working for this girl. I'm taking that whole thing off. I'm being me. I'm doing it how I originally do it. So you be you and do what's best for you, because it worked much better for me. Then I'm going to use my spray adhesive by Elmer's. I love this stuff. It is a little messy, so I don't use it often, but I wanted to make sure this was more secure and was permanently on there. So I went ahead and used it, and it worked and turned out great. Look how cute this is. I love it. I'm just going to keep telling you that. It's stinking cute, and that paper is gorgeous. So you don't have to use it. I'm just showing you some options here. As a spice rack, you can put your nail polishes in it. You could put your mini bottles in it, or you could put your paint in it. Either way, or spices back in it. It turns out stinking cute. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you feel so inclined, you can subscribe and join me on my journey. So I'm just going to show you how distressed I did it. I love it. Super cute. And the drawers, I painted them inside and distressed as well. And then I'm going to take this, after that, I'm going to use, it's coming up right here, my Rust-Oleum 2x clear coat, and we're going to give it a full coverage. I love this piece so much. Let me know what you think in the comments below. All right, guys, hello fall DIY number 2. This piece is super simple. You could do it either way you want. I got this pumpkin for 50 cents at my thrift store. It's cute as it is, but I'm going to change it up, of course. I got this picture frame at the Goodwill for 99 cents. I love the green, so I'm leaving it alone. It fits with the fall colors, but I'm going to give it a good wiping down. Then I got my little stapler. Well, it's not so little. My stapler. I'm trying to decide and get in the right position to staple, and they don't go in right, okay? I'm just not having any good luck with this, but I'm going to staple anyway because I'm going to hammer it in. You can see me shaking. Here you go. Earthquake. Hammer, hammer. I just love that piece in there because that's what happened. So on the edges, I'm just going to glue it down with my Gorilla Grip Glue. Just because I can't get the edges right with a staple. Not that the staple is working great anyway, right? Then I'm going to cut off all my excess just to make it look cleaner. And voila! I got this fabric, by the way, at the thrift store as well. It's a leftover piece. I'm going to use my redesigned Decor stamps and my ink pad. I'll leave that description down below. It's permanent ink and black. Super simple. I'm just going to take this cute little pumpkin as it is and glue it on the corner. That simple. The fabric I'm using is looks kind of like burlap, but it's not. But I got that from the thrift store too for like 50 cents. So, hey, all thrift store right here. So once we glue that on with our Gorilla Grip Glue, we're going to use our stamps. We're going to say hello, fall. And hello, Joyce, speak, right? Okay, so back to it. Squirrel. We're going to stamp our H. You want to get a good coat on there. And just place it down. You don't want to move it. You want to press and pull it back up, because if not, you'll smudge. And hello, fall. That's the saying I went with. I originally was going to do welcome, but I didn't have enough room. My bad. So I have these little leaf stickers that I got from like the thrift store. I'm not even kidding. I thought, I'm going to use these. And they look cute right here. But when I was doing it, I was like, I'm not liking this so much. It just wasn't sitting with me. But as I look at it now, it looks good. So I don't know. It might have just been my mood. And I'm like, nope, I'm taking them off. I don't like them. Redo. Let's redo this. Because I have something else I'm going to cover it with. So that little piece is okay. In my stash, I got from the thrift store a whole bucket last year of all different color of leaves. I thought I would use those instead, the artificial leaves, to make it look more realistic. I'm not sure if I like this better or the other one better as I do this video. You let me know down below which one you preferred. But I love the different colors on these leaves, and it looks more real to me. And this project is super simple. Just, get the pieces from the thrift store, put them together, get your own creation going, be you. So then I decided to use some raffia, which I love, but I always struggle with. So I just tie it over, bend it over, take another piece and make a bow. I'm not the best bow maker, so that's all right. We all have our strengths and our weaknesses. I'm going to tear the raffia apart to make it look a little better, in my opinion. Super simple. It's a little sad bow. It's not bad, but it's for fall. Doesn't need to be perfect. I'm going to place it on this pumpkin just to give it a little something, something. This was a super simple one, just putting pieces together from the thrift store, and I do absolutely like it. It's probably not one of my favorite, I'm not going to lie, but I think it's super cute. And just imagine what you could do with it. If you like this video, once again, give it a thumbs up. And y'all have a good day. Just be original all you do, and just be you.